It's Yetunde Vlog. Yetunde Vlogs.
Hi guys and welcome to Yetunde Vlogs. My name is Yetunde and this is my husband.
That's how you're going to introduce me.
My sexy husband.
This is the how many episode?
Why do you always complain?
This is the how many episode
You
you're
should
featuring me.
expect how I'm going to... I can't even speak English.
Let me give you a second chance. Introduce me. Let me give you a second chance. Introduce me.
Introduce us.
See, finish and enter this.
Okay, hi guys and welcome to Yetunde Vlogs. My name is Yetunde.
And you not say
guess
introduce
what?
yourself again. Introduce
Guess
me.
who I have here?
What did you just touch?
Guess who I have here? I have my wonderful husband. Emmanuel. Etunjobi.
Number one, when you say you have your wonderful husband, this is the voice speaker here. This is the mic. You went forward. They will not hear it well. Then you have to observe protocols. All protocols. When you're
Alright guys.
you have to observe. You've not introduced me well. This is not what I'm saying. I'm the president of Look Within Guys. Did you tell them down? Did you tell them down?
Oh please, this is not about that right now.
But
yes, he is the president of Look Within Guys.
Thank you.
If you guys don't know about Look Within Guys,
Better association don't open, make you enter. Look Gooding Guys. Now we be the Look Gooding Guys. We are the Look Gooding Guys. Now we be the Look Gooding Guys. So you join us.
Thank you. Oh yeah, now you say all protocols duly observed.
no, babe. Okay, whatever. Flipping all protocols duly observed.
Thank you.
Nah, TF4. God. Anyway, it's such a diva. I don't know why I keep having you back on my vlog. I'm such a diva. Anyway, so today I did a post on Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, follow it now. Thank you. And I was talking about when we went to the supermarket yesterday, and there was a lady that recognized my husband, you know, being the celeb that you are. Yeah. He's even got manicure, by the way. Like, my husband has get a manicure.
You are the one that made me do. I've never.
Okay, can I just say something? I told him to get a manicure. We're getting off topic right now, but we know obviously when the man goes to get a manicure, it's just to like shape the nails. And
What do I know? I've not done manicure before.
Clear nail polish.
I went there. I said my wife said I should do manicure, and they say I should
What kind
put
of a
my
lodo
hand.
manicurist to now put clear nail polish?
I've sure done what you want this time. So if I don't do any manicure again,
No, you'll do.
the rest of
We'll
time,
just go to someone that
it's a
makes
lie.
sense.
Because my whole hand self is paining me, all my fingers.
And
The girl cut.
she even cut practically to like the flip to the
As in,
to the meat.
she's just to remove the nails. Look, I've said I've done what you want now. So if I say I don't want to do manicure again,
It's okay. Anyway, so we were at the supermarket and there was a lady that recognized him. So she was like so excited, and so he was carrying Fermi, and she's like, oh, hello, and that was it. So he now said, oh, this is my wife, and she was like, really? Oh, I didn't know, because you look so different from the pictures that he has posted of you. So I was like,
but let me cut in. I don't think she wasn't trying to be rude. She was so pleasant. You get, she was excited to see me and
to see
everything.
you, yeah.
And she was shocked when I said, "Oh, this is my wife."
She didn't even acknowledge me like I was next to him. The thing is,
She didn't know. Now
okay,
you were
can
a
I just say
bit far
something?
away.
No, I wasn't that far away. I was, babe, come on. I was literally like,
No. I was at the back. I was playing with Fermi at the back. You were like
and
in
I was
front.
here, exactly.
And so she can't just assume.
No, we were next to
And
each other.
she innocently said, "Oh, you don't. Oh, is she the one? Are you serious? You don't look like the picture he posts."
Can you imagine? What does that even mean? What?
Wait,
The thing is,
she was being honest.
I know, which is fine.
We are coming to the point.
Okay.
I'm just
Which is
clearing
fine.
the
but,
woman.
no, but I'm saying to you that, okay, ladies out there, please, comment below. We know how we speak, right? We all know how we speak.
Wait. She's an elderly woman. She's not even like a young lady. I think she's like
She wasn't
maybe.
elderly, like-
wait, I think she's in her
Elderly
mid.
is like
wait,
80.
no,
Okay.
chill, calm down. I think she's in her mid-40s or
That's not-
50s. That's a mom.
I'm so sorry. Can I just apologize to the ladies that are in their 40s and 50s and you just said elderly? You don't call those people elderly.
It's the same age range that will say, "Oh, you are not eating. Like you look slim. Why are you not? You should be. You should have more flesh. You be fat." They don't mean it as insult. That's what I'm trying to clear. She just expressed that shock that, "Oh, are you serious? And you don't look like the pictures." And she didn't even. We don't know what she meant. Do you understand? You are the one. This is your own paradigm. You are the one coming to conclusions from your end. Okay. I'm saying this in case she watched it because she was just nice.
I didn't say that she wasn't.
The whole essence of this talk now, because myself, I'm going to defend you in this talk at the end of the day, but I'm just clearing the woman out.
But can I add to that? Okay, I'm not saying that she was nasty. I didn't say that I never said that she spoke in a rude manner. I didn't say she was nasty. I just said that how she responded was, questionable. Because what do you want me to say to that? When people say to you that, oh, you don't look like your pictures, and leave it as that, it can leave it open for anything, right? But as a pleasant kind of person, or someone that is not even pleasant, let me not say pleasant, but as someone that is aware, you would be like, oh, because you just look shorter in real life, or you'd finish it off, as opposed to saying, oh, you don't look like the pictures that he posts, because that can come off as not very nice. So I'm not attacking her.
What I'm saying here, yeah, I get what you mean.
It's not the first time.
But what I'm saying here is based on, if it was a if it was a young lady, or if it was, I would have been like, oh yeah, you are trying to put a sub and everything. But she was just being like, she just expressed that shock that, oh, are you serious? And I think that was like an excuse. That in her mind, what she was trying to do was an excuse to why she did not greet you.
Which is fine.
That, oh, you don't look like the lady, so I didn't recognize you as that lady. Sorry, that's why I didn't greet you.
But another thing is that if I had walked off, that's a different thing. But I actually stood still when you guys stood still. But even if I wasn't your wife, she could have still. She could have still looked at me.
No,
I wasn't that
you
far
can't
away.
remember. No, you did. If you don't remember the exact scenario, you didn't exactly stand still because we were not sure if she was greeting me. I was at the back. You were already going. Then she started greeting me. You had taken a few steps before you stopped, so you could have been with any other person. Do you understand?
Really?
So that's just to clear the woman, and that's why I introduced yourself, because I knew that she didn't know. She didn't see you as, and she now explained that, oh, you didn't look like the pictures I saw and everything. You get now. If you is because both of us were not fully decked, as it were, we were just in our natural. I don't want to put it, you know. If you had decked up, you understand, you won't have taken it the other way you took it, because
But the thing, I wasn't offended.
no,
Don't
you
get
were
me wrong.
offended.
No, I wasn't offended.
Yeah, at the rant you ranted on, and you should be offended. I
Do
understand.
you know what?
Me,
I wasn't offended. Like, even that.
you were offended. You talked about this for the whole day with our mic.
I wasn't offended. I just was like, do you know what? It made me laugh. If I was offended,
She was
I
offended.
wasn't offended. I actually wasn't offended.
Babe,
Because do you know why I wasn't?
do you know we drove, other things happened. Then you went back that. Are you? She said you said this thing till the end of the day. So what is that?
Anyway, moving on to the next part.
But no, were you offended or not?
I wasn't offended. Do you know I wasn't offended by what she said, because I knew I was looking a bit of a mess. I was just offended that she didn't even. I don't know what it was.
You were so offended.
Whatever.
Case closed.
Okay, I was a little bit offended. But I just feel like as Nigerian women, like older, especially when they're older, everyone always likes to make that excuse for them that, oh, it's because they're older, that's why they talk like that. It's not good enough. People need to be more self-aware, and that's the problem. People aren't self-aware.
But what I'm hearing to now say is, you can't control whatever people do. You can't control whether people are self-aware or not. What you can now control is the energy from your end, which is self-confidence. Do you understand? If you are confident in yourself, and I'm not saying you're not confident, obviously you're confident, that's why I married you. If you are confident in yourself, whether you look a mess or not, you know, like, because every day is
I
not.
looked a mess.
You just did it again.
Sorry. Yeah, go on. No, I've been.
I've forgotten
Every
what
day
I was
is
saying.
I mean, if you're confident in yourself, every day is not.
I can't remember what I
No,
was
you
saying.
can remember.
it's not every day that you deck like it's a Christmas party, and it's not every day that sometimes you just want to leave your hair the way you left it now. That's why we left it for this video. Thank God, Seth, that morning, me, Seth, I didn't even do anything. You get? I didn't comb my hair. I was looking a mess too, but I didn't send. I wore slippers out and everything. So if you are confident, you know yourself, you understand. At the end of the day, all this you deck your face, all this makeup that everybody makes, or you don't even make up normally. We know that's not our real face. So you know your real face. So if you are confident in your real face and you know you are confident in your beauty, then whatever will not affect you, you won't be offended by anything. If you have a chance to, you would correct people that no, you could have said better. That's maybe a bit rude. And if you can't, if you just move on and it won't affect you and everything. So basically, the point I'm trying to make is the solution to all these things at the end of the day lies back to the human being yourself. Just be confident. Be comfortable in your own skin.
Absolutely.
You get, love yourself as you are. If you've built that positive energy around yourself, it's just like that positive energy is like nylon bag. You get, so no matter what water anybody throws at you, it just bounces back because the energy within you is positive enough. You get what I'm trying to say? Because I believe I'm not trying to be over motivational and I don't know what I'm saying again.
Well, I'm just saying, okay, this all you said is fantastic and it makes a lot of sense. It's brilliant. My point was that there's an expectation, and I find that the expectation is only for women. Let me be honest, because if a man was to go out and his hair was uncombed, he didn't brush his teeth as a bath, no one would really say anything. They won't say, they won't make remarks unless he was looking completely haggard.
A guy can tell me, guy, you don't resemble as you be for a picture.
Yeah, but it's hardly.
If he tells me, I won't take it the other way.
I'm not saying that you would. I'm just saying that it's hardly a thing. It's hardly a thing.
No, it
for
happens
men.
now. It happens.
Hardly.
And I'm not even saying me. I'm saying men generally. Men don't take all those comments too serious.
But they don't really get those comments. So I'm trying to say
They
don't.
do now.
Hardly.
I've met every time people see me on. They are like, I know what I look like on TV.
It's not the same thing. Like you don't understand what I'm saying. Someone made a comment and they were like, that basically you need to be looking good everywhere you go, and that was a guy. And what I realized, I had one.
Wait, they commented on your page like that. I will go and look for that comment. I will reply you.
No, there's no.
I will reply you.
Another lady was a guy, and another woman said that something like, I can't remember that, but you need to be looking good and stuff. I just think it's BS. I honestly think it's BS. I'm sorry,
okay, I'm the one cutting you short now. I need to go and read those comments. I will reply you.
Let me finish before I forget what I'm saying.
Okay, but I will reply them.
There's no need to reply. And I just feel like that's BS, because what my point was that as women, especially when you do multiple things at the same time, it's not every day you're going to be looking glamorous, and people need to not have that expectation. People like to say that, even when I'm wearing makeup, guys, sometimes most of the time I post pictures, I am actually wearing makeup. Yes, most people think I'm not wearing makeup, but I am. But anyway, I just wear minimal, that's why. But my thing is that it doesn't matter whether I choose to or not. I forgot what I was going to say now.
But back to what I was saying in the beginning, and that's still the essence of why I keep saying it depends on how you feel about yourself. The comment is you need to be looking good everywhere you go, Abi. What's your concept of looking good? Does looking good now mean, you fix another hair on your head, or you have to paint your face? Looking good it starts from the inside. It starts from how you feel and how comfortable you are. You are the way you are now, as in you are looking good. Do you understand? So every other thing you do. Look good in. You are the first lady of look good in. Every other thing you do, everything you do to top up your normal look, the way is to satisfy other people. You understand?
Some people wear makeup it's not to satisfy
I
others,
know.
but it's partly, I guess it's partly, if we're all honest.
So in the house, do you wear makeup when we're in the house? Is it not when we want to go out that you wear makeup?
Yeah,
so
true.
Why do you wear makeup when you want to go out? Is it for you?
Partly.
But what's the overall
good to others as well,
to other people?
That's true.
Do you get? I'm not against that. I'm not here. You should be presentable and everything. But every single time that you just feel like going out as the way you are, at least you've had your bath, you've brushed your teeth, you rubbed cream, Abi. So maybe you didn't just feel like touching your hair because the stress of all is not dry, or you didn't feel like making your hair or something. She packed her hair that morning, but it's just it's Laraba packing, it's a Kaite kind of packing, which is a kind of packing at the end of the day you get.
You know?
So
let's not say Kaite kind of packing. Some of Kaites may be offended.
No, a Kai Taste kind of parking is amazing. Because there was a Kai Taste kind of parking before they started bringing human hair or all these other things. You get. Shami, what I'm here to say is a different plan I had initially, but the conversation has gone elsewhere. You get. What I'm here to say is be comfortable in your skin.
Yeah, it's true. You're right.
See me when I went to cut my hair today, I didn't even drive. Some people saw me, one person, they were shocked, like, no, it's not the one, it can't be the one. I wore slippers. Once, it's not, everybody knows that is not the way you are, you get, but once in a while, you just want to zone off from every other thing, and you just want to, so, as in you, and that is why you should live your life for you. That is why you should do what makes you feel good. Do you understand? That's...
Yeah. I know that when I was younger, I used to like wear makeup everywhere. When I discovered makeup, I then started to wear it. Like, I would go to the supermarket right across the road from our house, and I would wear, like... And the thing is, when I look back, you could barely tell that I was wearing any makeup. But to me, I felt like I looked way better. It took me a long time to get back out of that because I couldn't leave the house without my makeup. And then, you know, obviously... Am I boring you?
Oh, no.
I'm joking. Yeah, so obviously it took a long time for me to get to a place where I was confident enough to realize that this is a trap. You know, makeup is great, but it shouldn't be like a crutch, like an emotional crutch, that I should feel comfortable in my own skin. And when I look back, my skin was actually pretty good. Like, it was better than it is now. So that which is saying a lot. So yeah.
And this day that we were talking about, where did we go? We just went to the supermarket.
I'm telling you.
So it's a different thing now. Let's say we are going for like maybe a corporate event or all these events that there's dress code. You glam up. And let me summarize everything. Do what will please you.
Because you can never please anybody else. You can never fully please people. And people will tell you they like you like this. You you go and do like this. They'll be like, actually, I like you like that. So there's no point. It's just best to just please yourself, but please God.
And again,
please
God. Please God always.
You get.
But do what pleases, like do what you are comfortable with part time again, because it's not the same thing that will please you every time. Today you might feel like, okay, I want to glam up all the way. And again, I take that back the way I said it before. Some people like glamming up actually. They just want to. Do you understand? So you might just feel that way, that you want to be all today. Do it. But sometimes you just want to be. There's nothing wrong in not touching yourself. Just be clean. Don't smell. But go out the way you are. Do you understand?
Yeah,
sometimes even go to your office, don't wear makeup, don't wear earrings, just pack your hair backwards, and it just
mind the business.
There's a difference between, so far you are clean and I don't know how else to put it.
No, it's true.
That's why we decided to shoot the vlog to see the way her hair. She just came out.
My hair is clean.
See the way her hair is. See my own hair. I didn't comb. See, you understand? I didn't just want to wear boxers so that this vlog will not turn to. It won't turn to something else. Yeah. So I hope we've made small points.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope if you please.
And at the end of the day, there's nothing more important than that person that you are. Of course, it's that person that will go to bed at the end of the day. You can't be wearing. You can't. No matter how glam you are, when you are going to sleep, you sleep as you. And you are going to marry somebody at the end of the day. So that high is the person I married. You understand? I don't even really like I don't like her wearing makeup like that. It's not that you don't look good wearing makeup, but it's just too stressful because at the end of the day, the result you are looking for is already here in the natural.
Oh, you're cute. Anyway, guys.
Let's come and go and be going.
Thank you guys for watching. Please leave comments below and tell us what you guys think. This video has gone too long.
So just post like that. Alright, thank you very much.
So you now use the audio of this one from here because we have left here now. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I know you guys missed me.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
And
please leave your comments below and let me know what you think.
See how fine we are.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Shout out to all the look good in guys out there.
Share with your friends because sharing is caring. Look good in guys. Can you turn off the camera, please? My hair is not a pillow. I've just washed it as well. Oh, baby. Let me, babe.